Hi, I'm Kaylor Miley. We're with the Intelligent Mobility Lab at the University of Nevada, Reno, and we're using this car behind me to try and predict where pedestrians will be in the future.
My group's assignment was to work with a company called Aqua Metals on recycling lead-acid batteries.
So our project is a smart HVAC optimizer.
The main point of our project is to increase pedestrian safety in the urban core of Reno.
We're working on a project that's called WIDS, Wearable High Impact Detection System.
We're trying to figure out if, based on their body posture, so if they're like this or like this, where they'll be in the future. And hopefully it'll figure out if they're looking behind them that maybe they want to cross the street. We can swerve away and not hit them or stop.
As part of this process, as lead batteries die, they produce a compound called lead sulfate. Lead sulfate is not easily recyclable, and so before it goes into the actual recycling process, where it can be processed into pure lead, it needs to be desulfurized. And that's what this process does.
Essentially what it does is it interrupts your existing ductwork inside your house, and then it makes decisions on whether or not we should use your existing air conditioning system, or if it's cool enough outside, it can actually pump that free cool air in from the outside.
Our bridge will provide great separation between pedestrians and vehicles crossing over Commercial Row and Virginia Street, adjacent to the Reno Arch.
When I hit this guy here, we get acceleration data, force data that comes through our system, is transmitted by a radio frequency to that receiver, goes into this small computer, a Raspberry Pi system, and then goes into their database.
The most rewarding experience of this project was that it wasn't just mechanical engineering. We did incorporate elements of computer science and electrical, and that really was cool to take all those classes we learned and put them together to make a working product.
One of the most rewarding things about this project was just being able to work with such state-of-the-art technology. This car was literally gotten in July, and we were working on it in August. I don't know if I had had this chance anywhere else.
It definitely reinforced everything I had learned up to this point. Every piece of information in chemical engineering I've been taught was employed for this project, and that actually was a really great thing.